What is up, guys? DZ here, and today I want to show you one of the many Subterror combos I've been working on. This one is particularly cool just because it uses so many of my favorite cards. Tefnuit and Terror Top are some of my favorite cards in this game, and I'm really happy to see this crazy combo with them. I also like this combo because it involves some of the lesser-known Subterror interactions that a lot of people, I think, are overlooking, and hopefully I can sort of bolster your opinion of cards like Hidden City, because I've been seeing some people say this card isn't that great, but you can do some pretty incredible stuff with it. You just gotta think out your plays ahead of time. But anyway, all you need is these three cards, just Tefnuit, Terror Top, and Hidden City. And your opponent needs a monster, so you have to be going second or whatever. There's actually a couple iterations of this combo, one that works going first but doesn't plus as hard, that I'll talk about at the end. But for now, let's just focus on the main one, so you just need these three cards, and we'll see what we can do here. So first, you're going to special summon Tefnuit. That's pretty straightforward. Then you're going to normal summon the Terror Top to add a takedown board, which you're going to special summon. Next, you're going to overlay these two for an MX Saber Invoker. Invoker is really cool, especially in this deck, because you can detach a material to special summon the Subterror Nemesis from your deck. This guy's really cool. You can... he has two great effects that we're going to use here, but the first one is that you can actually activate his effect to send a Subterror to the graveyard. We're going to send Stalagmo. Not enough space for this. We're going to send Stalagmo, and then you contribute monsters that equal at least that monster's level from your field to special summon that monster in either face or face down defense position. So a lot just happened. Basically, we're tributing both of these guys to set the Stalagmo in face down defense position. That's going to trigger the Tefnuit, and with Tefnuit, we're going to go for a Galaxy Serpent. From here, we're going to activate the Hidden City, so that comes in handy now. Hidden City is going to search out a copy of... It really doesn't matter what you grab here, but I just like getting all of the Subterrors into play in one little swoop here, so I'm going to grab the Umastrix. From there, we're going to activate Hidden City's effect, which lets you flip this face up. That's going to trigger Stalagmo, and it's also going to trigger Nemesis. So Nemesis is going to special summon itself back to the field, and Stalagmo is going to discard the Umastrix to get 2 draws. I'm just going to put 2 random cards here so we know how many draws we have. From here, you're just synchroing with these two to make Stardust Charge Warrior, and then drawing another card. So now we're up to 3 draws. And then you're using Hidden City again to flip the Stalagmo face down. So basically what we've done is we've turned 3 cards into 7 cards, which is really incredible going second. I mean, it puts you really far ahead. These draws can be like pre-preparation of rights, it can be brilliant fusions, it can be a whole bunch of things that are all really fantastic. Some other things you can do, if you are going first, you can actually swap out the Heretic Dragon of Tefnuit for a card called Primitive Butterfly. That'll prevent you from making the Stardust Charge Warrior. It will basically be the same ending without the Charge Warrior, so you'll still get the 2 draws, and you'll have a face-down Stalagmo with the Nemesis engraved for next turn, and you'll still have the Invoker, but you won't have the Stardust Charge Warrior and the extra draw. But you can do that going first, so you'll have to decide if that's more important to you. Alternatively, you could also take out this and then go for, instead of the Galaxy Serpent, you could go for a Labradite Dragon. Labradite Dragon is a level 6 tuner with Tefnuit, and then you could make a level 10 Synchro Monster. Leo isn't super great right now, so I think it's just better to go for the Stardust Charge Warrior and the extra draw, but it's really up to you. This combo can be extended, obviously, with like cards like Brilliant Fusion, Pre-Prep, really just anything. And it's just super cool that you can like do this type of thing, and I think it just goes to show that the Subterrors are actually a lot more explosive than a lot of people are making them out to be. I know flip effects in general are kind of slow, but when you have so many different ways to flip your cards face up and flip them back face down, just among their own effects, and you're getting pluses from the graveyard, you can actually just out-advantage your opponent really fast. So yeah, I just want to show you that Subterror combo. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.